Umugibela indiza utela ku first class banokukubuza bathi sir, do you want chicken or beef? Mosacabanga ngithi asithathe ikhefu bese siyabuya. Githi ma hustlers ningafezekisa emaphupheni noma kanjani into engiyazi ukuthi the sky is the limit, and if you look high enough you're gonna see our girl in it. Njengoba ke ahambela phezulu laphana ngathi Michael Jordan laphana aerospace industry ezwala ngathi kumele ube i-rocket scientist noma ke yona i-astronaut kuze wenze lo msebenzi. Kodwa labantu ke abashayela ke zona indizamshini badinga iqembu labantu abaneziqiniso ukuthi le indizamshini abayishayelayo ziphephile futhi zihamba kahle khona laphana esibhakabhakeni. Kodwa into akazisihamba namuhla ngithi umbali wakasibeya ufuna ungena laphana eDaniel Aviation akhona ukusebenza nabantu balaphana njengoba ke azoshaya i-task test yokuqala. All I know that this link was a slam dunk.
Good morning, Bali. Welcome here in the electrical workshop. I want you to introduce you to somebody, and it's Cornelia. Yeah, Cornelia is going to assist us in what we're going to do today. First of all, I'm going to tell you what we do here. We repair some electrical equipment for the aircraft. For example, the RX alternator we repair here. That's one that's just come off the aircraft. As you can see, it's nice and dirty. So what we do here, we repair it, we strip it down completely, we clean it, and then we inspect it. Here's our alternator that's been stripped completely and it's been cleaned. You can see it's nice and clean inside now, right?
Yes.
So after it's been cleaned, we assemble it, we fit new parts, we assemble it, and then we test it. Now, Mbali, your first test for today is going to be the resistance test that Cornelia is going to show you now. After we've done the resistance test, we are going to put this on the drive bench, where we're going to run the alternator up to 12,000 RPM, and we're going to see if it operates all within the specified limits. Cornelia, please carry on with the test.
Task 1 in the alternator resistance test, and the expectations namely dexterity, tool use, and data recording.
Okay, we'll start with our resistance check. We'll first insert our terminals, starting from the neutral point to the negative terminal and the positive terminal to our A terminal of the alternator. Switch on the meter and we get a reading of 0.049. We write it down on result 1 because we're still going to do the second result after the test. Then we go to B and N. We get a reading of 0.050.
Tsebo ke lerumo. Difofane di tlhoka power ya motlakase ka nako tsohle go tlatsa battery ya sefofane ha se le moyeng. Alternator ke tsela e nngwe ya go neya sefofane matla. Go botlhokwa gore alternator e sebetse ka tsela ya tshwanelo go phephisa sefofane.
We'll start with pin 4 and 5 of J1. Okay. Because there's J1 and J2 plugs. 4, 5. Our reading should be between the limits. You see, we are giving a range, so you write what you get in the meter. Then we move to J1, pin 1 and 2. We write our reading is within limit. Now we move to J2. Okay. J2 is this one. It's the same as J1. We have pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll start with pin 4 and 1. 1. Take the reading. Then it's 4 and 2. Now we are done doing our test for the resistance check. Do you have any question?
Yeah, I do have a question.
Okay.
Cornelia,
Yes.
like, kulama wires la I2. While placing them, like, does it matter if I go positive or if I go negative, or will you place engine?
With this, it doesn't matter. When it comes to resistance, the tolerance, it doesn't matter. So you can use it either way. Even on the neutral, you can put a positive one, it's fine.
Okay.
Now it's your 10. From here, yes.
And then after, we're gonna move the first wire to B. And then move it to C. And then we're gonna move to J1, like you said.
Kodwa abazali bakho basho bathi from tomboy to team player ngiyazi into okwazi ukuthi bongelula kodwa ngifuna ulethe logqozi nofuqufuqu ku-task yakhe yokuqala Mbali.
Then J1, 1 and 2. And then it's J1, 3 and 1.
Okay,
I think I'm done.
yeah, you're done.
That's it. Now, Cornelia, how did she do?
She did very well.
Did she do well? Let's see the results.
They're all within limits.
All within limits.
Yes.
Very nice. Now we can proceed to the drive bench or the test bench, and we can go and put it on the test bench.
Yeah, last task, me enjoy, get to know some other things, and I'm happy about it. So far, so good.
Ke rata the way Mbali a le attentive ka teng wa mmona gore o shebisisa sengwe le sengwe se mentor wa hae a se etsang. She's definitely engaged in the process, and ma hustlers le gopole gore go ba attentive a se ntho e le gore o ithuta yona ko mosebetsing kapa a se ntho e le gore e batla a formal training. Ke ntho e le gore o ithuta yona ka nako tsotlhe ha o le mo lapeng, especially ha o le sekolong ha ba rutisi ba go teacher dilo o kgone go ba attentive o mamamele and o kgone go etsa le dilo tse e leng gore ba re o di etse ka teng o carry the instructions the way ba go rutang ka teng gore ha monyetla o fitla wa gore o be ko mosebetsing o tla kgona go mamela le o kgona go latela melao kaofela.
Hustlers, kulo hlelo ke sinikazana ngomniningwane eminingi ngiyazi abaningi benu abakhona ukuyibhala phansi phinde futhi niyaphuthela khona laphayana ngithi nina lapha emakhaya khululekani musikhathazeka uma kuphela uhlelo into emele uyenze ukuthi usivakashele laphana ku www.ispani.co.za uzothola imininingwane oyiphuthele nokunye futhi okuningi sikuphathele khona laphayana mina into engizoyenza khona manje ngiya ku www.break.co.sonibona masibuya. No, try it.
Ispani, 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 Ispani.
Don't look down, heads to the sky, wings raised in. She's about to fly and take a place in the stars, cause she a star. Sikhuluma ngobantu masakhuluma ngentokazi ke efisa ukuba i-technician umbali kaSibiya. Intokazi ke iqedile i-task yakhe yokuqala sesele ngama-task awu-2 ukuthi waqede. Ngithi wena lapha ekhaya hamba nathi sibone ukuthi intokazi izoqhubha kanjani. Ngithi pakishan, pakishan, pakishan. Sihamba manje. Yeah.
Mbali, now we are going to fit the alternator to the test bench. Now one thing I want to tell you, when you want to work here, you must have some muscles. Just feel the weight of the alternator. I'm going to hold it and you feel it as well. Some of the alternators we do here are over 40 kilograms in the alternator. Now I'm going to fit the alternator and I'm going to ask Cornelia to show you how to connect it, and then you can connect it, all right?
Okay.
Go. Here we go.
Task 2 ke alternator test bench and the expectations ke following instructions, tool use and application of electrical knowledge.
Okay, now that I fitted the alternator, Cornelia, will you please show her how to do the connections on the alternator?
Okay. Okay, Mbali, we'll start by putting in the cables from the test bench to the alternator. As you can see here, it's labeled A, B, C, and N, same as on the alternator. Then we're going to use this cable. There's A, C, there's neutral, and there's B.
Okay.
So
Which one's the neutral?
is the red one, is the different one. Then you can come this side and you'll start to insert.
A and A.
Yes, A and A, B and B, so on and so on. Then we'll tighten the ratchet.
Okay.
Then we move on to B. We check which one is B. Then we go to our neutral one. You see, the neutral one is always different. You see, its wire is red and this one is blue. So it's easy to see which one is neutral. And that's it. So now it's your turn to do exactly what I did here.
Okay. This one.
yazi kuhle ukwazi ukuthi khona ama-autopilot text akhona la ngaphandle yazi intokazi nami ama-settings wami aloba angekho right kwazi bani ukuthi mhlawumbe uma kuphela uhlelo nami-ke mbani unganginceda.
Starting to enjoy this. This one, it's a neutral, and I can see that it's different from the others. it's not the same. It's red and the other ones are blue.
Tight. Okay. I think they're all tight now. Just need to come and check. Then we go and test the alternate.
Good. Let's see. All the wires in the correct places. A goes to A. B goes to B. And where's this one?
See.
C is correct.
It's helping Bali with the cables there. We have 4 cables. There are 3 black ones and there's a neutral one which is blue, the one that is different. I showed her all the plugs were marked A, B, C, and the neutral one was different from the others. So she did very well to insert the correct cables on the right phases, which was very good.
We'll connect those wires. It was nice, but it needs someone who have muscles. But anyway, it was a good experience.
Mbali o sebeditse hantle haholo mona tasking ya hae ya bobedi. And ra di bona di tasks tsena di na le di points tse ngata tse le hore a tlame a sebetse ka tsona, di thapo tse di ngata tsa mefuta-futa. So o lokela ho tseba gore eng e mo kae ene e sebetsa yang. Ene seo ma hustlers ho batla hore o kgone go mamedisisa haholo. Ene ke ntwe ke bona mo Mbali gore really her listening skills are exceptional. And again, regardless ka di listening skills ke ntwe le gore wena o ithuta yona ha o le kae kapa kae. Ha motho a bua lwena check ka gore ka nnete selo se a go bolelang sona ke the way o se utlwisisang ka teng na. And again ma hustlers ntho o etsa, it doesn't matter gore o mo kae ko lapeng ha batswadi ba bua lwena, ko sekolong ha o bua le dichomi bo neighbor ha ba bua lwena, that thing ke ntho le gore o e practice o santsane e le yona nako ena gore ha se o fitlhile mola mosebetsing go tlo ba bonolo for wena gore o kgone go etsa mosebetsi because already o kgona go mamedisisa gore ke eng se se batlagalang.
Ngithi ukhathele kusebenzisa amanye ama-airlines. Then I have a new airline just for you. Ibizwa ngokuthi Ispani Airways. Ispani, fly with us to success. To make bookings, visit our website at www.ispani.co.za. Book now. Fly with us to success. Why am I even making ads right now? Ngiyacala ukuthi kumele siye nje ekhefini kancane bese siyabuya. Join us after the break.
Ispani, 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 Ispani.
Ding ding, Ispani Airways is about to depart. Make your way to the gate. I repeat, Ispani Airlines is about to depart. Make your way to the gate. Ding ding. That's our flight. Kodwa ngaphambi ukuthi sihambe mfethu intokazi yethu uMbali Sibiya kuzomela ahamba ayoshaya itask yakhe yokugcina ngaphambi ukuthi athole lo msebenzi awufunayo. Intokazi ke ithusa abazali bayo njengoba ke ifuna ukwenza lo msebenzi we-aviation. Kodwa sina sithi ayikho iambition enkulu engadlula yonke into. Ngithi intokazi wona pusha wenze lento ofuna ukuyenza and we'll see you on the flip side. Thina ke sayokugibela indiza. Wena bukela ukuthi intokazi iyawuthola umsebenzi noma